one of the most commonly used terms by Muslims is Insha'Allah, God willing. But most Muslims don't use it correctly. They say it incorrectly. They say it at the wrong times. If you look in the verse in Surah Al-Kahf, it shows us when we should be saying it. Allah commanded us, وَلَا تَقُولَنَّ لِشَيْءٍ إِنِّي فَاعِلٌ ذَلِكَ غَدًا إِلَّا أَن يَشَاءَ اللَّهُ. And do not say that I'm going to do anything tomorrow in the future, except that you say Insha'Allah. So this verse, it teaches us when we're supposed to say it. When is it? It's in the future. We don't say it for things in the past. And then we want to say, how can we use it correctly? That we say it for things in the future, don't use it for things in the past or things that are reality, and that we only say it when we truly mean it. And it's become custom now when many Muslims, and even non-Muslims know this. And that's why Biden, when he said, Inshallah, Inshallah, yani, like the Muslims say, when you're not really going to do something, you say, Inshallah, astaghfirullah al-azim. And this is, and look how, as Muslims, and I don't blame him, this is the reality of what we've done. And how we disrespected the kalam of Allah. We've disrespected the Qur'an. We've disrespected the command of Allah by saying, yeah, we don't really mean to do it. So these are the two things, the two areas. If you want to use it correctly, that you say it in the future, not for something that's a reality or something that's from the past, and that you say it when you truly intend to do something. And I'm going to explain. You say it in the future, meaning, are you traveling? I'm going to travel in 1 week, inshallah. If I already traveled, say I traveled, inshallah, this is a mistake. You don't say, because it's already been done. Did you pray Salatul Dhuhr? I prayed, inshallah. This is a mistake. Because it's already done, it's finished. And if I'm going to pray in 5-10 minutes, inshallah. No, I haven't prayed. I'm about to pray, inshallah. And he asked me now, are you in quarantine? Which you can see from where I am. And I said, I'm in quarantine, inshallah. No, I'm in quarantine. I'm not going to use inshallah here. And when are you going to finish quarantine? In about 4 or 5 days, hopefully, inshallah, I'll be free. I'll be out, inshallah. This is when we use inshallah. And even some people, some customs, you ask them, where are they from? أنت من أين أنت? أنا من مصر, inshallah. And this is, our Egyptian brothers, they're very famous for this. I'm from Egypt, inshallah. This is not how you use it. Yaqi, you're Egyptian, 100%. You're from Egypt. There's no doubt about it, bro. I'm Egyptian. You don't say I'm Egyptian, inshallah. And if we were to look and you ask me, where's this brother from? Is he from Egypt? I say, well, I don't know. Maybe he's Egyptian. Maybe he's Tunisian. I haven't heard him talk yet. And maybe he's Egyptian, inshallah. Here, I'm going to use it. Yeah, no problem. Then I ask him. But when I come back to it, I said, yeah, he's Egyptian, inshallah. No, I say, he's Egyptian. He clarified for me that he is Egyptian. So this is the time. And another example. And you hear, for example, someone passed away. And we say, I heard Brother Muhammad passed away. And that he died. Yeah, he died, inshallah. No, he's gone, bro. He's dead. Rahimallah, may Allah have mercy upon him. But he's definitely gone. So we're not going to use inshallah like this in this way. The second part is that we intend to say it. So we use it in the correct timing, and we use it in the correct method, meaning that it's something that we intend to do. And it's become custom now when we don't want to do it. Yeah, inshallah, whatever. Yeah, mashi. I'm not really going to do it, but inshallah, whatever. Just to get people to go away. And even our own children have realized this. And that's why you find when they say, Baba, I want to buy this toy. We say, inshallah. No, I really want the toy, but please, but I really want it. Or they come and say, I want to go to the park after Asr. They say, inshallah. And they, no, please, but I really want to go. I really want to go play with my friends. Because he realizes that inshallah means, yeah, you're not going to the park. Inshallah, yeah, you're not getting the toy. Astaghfirullah al-azim. And look how we raised our own children. And like we said, any of them, how we use it here, we say, for example, if you finish, your duties that you have upon you, if you have a good week in school, I'll take you to the park on the weekend, inshallah. That's how we use it, right? Even many non-Muslims, I'll tell you a story that really, it hurt me. I had a lady, she worked with me in the school I was working with in Dubai. She's Bosnian, and a very, very nice lady, very professional work. She was a math teacher. She was not Muslim. She was Christian Bosnian. Her husband was from Scotland, I believe. And subhanAllah, she came one day because we're all new teachers. So she came to me because our names had come out to go and do our blood test for our resident visa. And she had been going through a lot of difficulty because her passport, she couldn't exit. And for us, it wasn't a big deal. There was a delay, but we would just exit and come back in the country until our paperwork finished. It wasn't really a big deal for us. But for her, she faced a lot of difficulty. She couldn't travel. She was basically trapped in the country. So when it happened, she was so happy. And she said that today it's definitely going to happen. It's definitely going to happen today. And that we're going to definitely go do our blood test. We're definitely going to start and we'll get our resident visa. She said, you know how I know? And I was like, how is that? She said, because so-and-so, the Muslim brother who's in charge of the HR, he didn't say Insha'Allah. SubhanAllah, Allahu Akbar. And you can imagine, I remember walking in the hallway, she's talking to me as we're going to the bus, and she's so happy, and she's telling me this. And just, the shame and the hurt, knowing the meaning of the verse, and then, seeing how the Muslims abuse this word, and how he taught this non-Muslimah that when a Muslim doesn't want to do something, when a Muslim is lying, that he's going to use the name of Allah to just brush you off. Insha'Allah. I'm not really going to do it. I'm lying to you. Inshallah, whatever. But when he was honest and he realized it was going to happen today, he said he didn't say Inshallah, even though he should have said, because we haven't actually gone to do the blood test. We're going to do it today. Inshallah. This is when we're supposed to use it here. And then I explained to us, and just so you understand that as Muslims we're commanded to say Inshallah because Allah said in the Qur'an, in the chapter 18, which is the chapter of Al-Kahf, the cave, the story of the youth who went to the cave. And Allah said this, don't say you're going to do anything tomorrow in the future except you say Inshallah. Unfortunately, the Muslims today, and I had to explain to her, alhamdulillah, we had a nice conversation about it. But this just shows us the reality of where we reached, abusing this word, disrespecting the kalam of Allah, disrespecting the Qur'an, and disrespecting the command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when we use it out of its context and use it like it shouldn't be used. And we also use it when we don't want to do something. When we want to do something, we just brush it off. Therefore, if you're going to say Inshallah, say it properly. Say it when you mean to do something, and say it for the future things that you're going to do. Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.